In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Home Depot purchase history, a handy skill for keeping track of your spending, checking on order statuses, or reviewing past purchases for returns or exchanges. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just trying to manage your home improvement budget, accessing this information can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Home Depot website. As you navigate to the site, take a moment to ensure that your internet connection is stable to prevent any interruptions. Once the web page loads, you'll find yourself on the Home Depot homepage, a starting point for all your shopping and account needs. Next, look towards the top of the page for the My Account option, typically located in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on My Account will open a drop-down menu or direct you to the account login page, depending on whether you're already signed in or not. If you're not logged in, you'll need your email and password used for creating your Home Depot account. Keep in mind that if you've forgotten your password, there are easy options to reset it. Simply follow the prompts provided. Once you're in your account section, navigate to the Order and Purchases section. This is usually visible on the main account menu page and is your gateway to discovering a detailed history of your purchases. Selecting this option might take a moment, especially if you have an extensive order history that needs to load, so a little patience might be required. Now that you're in the Order and Purchases section, here's where the magic happens. You can view a comprehensive history of all your transactions with Home Depot. This includes recent orders, older purchases, and details such as order dates and item specifics. If you're looking for something specific, utilize the search tools provided to filter orders by date or specific merchandise purchased. Remember, it's always a good practice to review your purchases periodically to catch any discrepancies early and for better personal finance management. Viewing your purchase history on Home Depot is straightforward and can save you time, ensuring you have all the information needed for any follow-ups on deliveries or returns. With these steps, you'll become more efficient in managing your purchases and making informed decisions
for future shopping expeditions. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to access your Home Depot purchase history effortlessly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share if you found this video useful.
And feel free to drop any questions or feedback in the comment section below. Happy shopping, and until next time.